So you've got cash, lots of it. But instead of a bank account, you're storing it under your rug, in your socks, maybe even behind the milk in your fridge. Why? Because talking to a bank clerk in English sounds terrifying? Relax. Today, I'll teach you exactly what to say, so your money can finally live somewhere safer than your freezer.
English by Miko.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a new bank account, please.
Sure. Are you interested in a savings account or a checking account?
I'm not sure. What's the difference between them?
A savings account is good if you want to save money and earn a little interest. A checking account is used for everyday spending. You can get a debit card and write checks.
I see. Can I have both?
Yes, of course. Many customers choose to open both accounts.
Okay, let's do that. What documents do I need?
You need a valid ID, like a passport or national ID card, and proof of your current address. For example, a recent utility bill or rental agreement.
I have my passport and an electricity bill with me. Will that work?
Yes, that's perfect. May I also have your phone number and email address?
Sure. My phone number is 123-456-7890 and my email is david@gmail.com.
Great, thank you. Now, let me ask a few more questions. What is your occupation?
I'm a graphic designer. I work freelance.
Okay. Will this be a personal account or a business account?
Personal for now.
All right. How much money would you like to deposit today?
I'd like to deposit $1,000 in the savings account and $500 in the checking account.
Sounds good. Do you want to receive a debit card?
Yes, please. Can I use the debit card to shop online?
Yes, absolutely. You can use it in stores, online, and even to withdraw cash from ATMs.
How long does it take to get the card?
It usually takes 5 to 7 working days. We'll mail it to your address.
Okay. Can I also have online banking?
Definitely. We'll set up your online access today. You'll get a username and a temporary password. You can change your password later.
That's great. Is there an app I can download?
Yes! We have a mobile app for both Android and iPhone. You can check your balance, send money, and even pay bills.
That sounds useful. Is there a monthly fee for these accounts?
The savings account is free. The checking account has no fee if you keep a balance of $500 or more. Otherwise, there's a $5 monthly fee.
Good to know. Can I set up automatic payments like for rent or internet?
Yes, you can. We can help you set that up today or later from your online account.
Perfect. One more question. Is my money insured?
Yes. Your money is insured up to $250,000 by the government.
That's reassuring. Thank you for explaining everything.
My pleasure. Let me just print your documents, and we'll finish setting up your account.
Thanks so much, Miss Bennett.
You're very welcome, Mr. Harper. Welcome to our bank. Let us know if you need anything else in the future.